Hey everyone, this video is the BOXYCHARM unboxing. So let's go ahead and get started. And also, I'm wearing my hair on this side just to try something out new because I always wear it on this side. So I don't know how I feel about it because the way it's cut to be meant to be on this side. So I don't know. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so the name of this BOXYCHARM box is Boxy Bash. And they got the little slip the same. You know how like last month it was like a little cute slip. Alright, so let's go ahead and start with alright, this Cover FX Blurring Primer. Which is, where are you? Which retails for $38. It says it's a lightweight, soft focus primer that blurs the appearance of pores, fine lines, and other imperfections, creating a smooth canvas for flawless foundation application. Alright, so good thing I picked this out because it's the first thing we need to use. Okay, I got a pea size amount. Well, not really a pea size, but it's a little bit smaller. So it looks like my skin color. I should put my hair up. Oh, it feels soft. It feels like Pores No More. I think that's the name of it. Professional Pores No More. Something like that. That green little bottle. Yeah. It feels like that. So I think it has like, it feels like that, and I think it's like a same formula because that's the way it feels like. The foundation I'm gonna be using is the Fit Me Beauty shade 210 and my foundation brush, Bare Minerals. I can see that my pores closed up. Alright, so I definitely don't see any pores. I really do not see any pores, and I don't really have fine lines, so about that I am not sure. But I do not see any pores on my skin. I usually have some like right around my nose, and I don't see any. So that Cover FX primer works. This is a complete win for me. I love it. So for the next thing in the box, let's do this brush. Well, actually there's more brushes in here. Alright, but let's go ahead and go with this one first. It's I can never pronounce this word. Estesican face brush. It's P12. It retails for $27. It says with synthetic fibers that allows for maximum control, the P12 face brush is perfect for creating a seamless look. Okay, so I believe synthetic fiber brushes are better than real hair brushes. I think this brush did a good job setting my face. Alright, so I completely love this brush. Because it is made out of synthetic fibers and I love how it feels. It feels so soft. We got another Pure palette. You know how much I love Pure. So, ooh. Oh, this is cute. It says, "You are the sculpture of your own destiny." Right there on the mirror. It says Pure. Alright, so it has 2 different colors of bronzer. And then it has 2 different colors of highlight. It's cruelty free. And let's see the price. Where are you at? Oh, there you are. And this retails for $30. Okay, which isn't that bad. And it's cute. I'm gonna grab my angled brush that I always use. It's by Crown. It's a Crown brush and it's an angle brush. So I think I'm going to go into Inventor, the one right here, because I'm not sure how pigmented they are. These smell good. I have a feeling this is gonna be too dark for me. Look at it. Let me take off some. I'm just gonna blend this in. So this is a good contour shade, and it's best if you contour with it, not really bronze up your skin, because it is that deep tone. But I'm just using it as bronzing out my skin because I don't really contour. I used to contour, but not really much. I only contour for special events and only sometimes, not all the time. So I'm just gonna use it as a bronzer and try to clean that up a little. It's like more of a soft glow. Let's see if this one is a darker glow, the one right here. I put it on the other side. This one looks lighter than that. They're beautiful. So I love the Pure contour palette. So let's go in to matte lip gloss. It's BOXYCHARM with Beauty Creators. Oh, Beauty Creations. And it is such a pretty red. What is it called? Kiss Me. Alright, so it's already drying. This color is so beautiful, and I love that it's matte. So whenever you do want it glossy, you can just add a gloss over it. Did I tell you the price? Okay, so this retails for $10. It says Beauty Creations Matte Liquid Lip Gloss is specially formulated to provide full coverage that dries to a seamless, smooth, and matte finish. Its lightweight application is long wearing for. Alright, so next let's go into these little brushes. There's a spoolie, fine eyeliner brush, and a little angle brush. So let me go ahead and take these out. Let's see. They are $45. It says the Essican Trio series come with an angled eyeliner brush, a brow spoolie, and a fine tip eyeliner. And then the next thing we have is Pretty Vulgar. It's the Blacklist, the ink Blacklist gel eyeliner. Alright, so this is a big amount. Let's see how much it costs. Where are you at? Okay, this is $24, which is worth it because look how big it is. Like, this is a whole 2-year supply. Or, I'm not sure how much I use eyeliner, but I think this is like a 2-year supply. This says, this highly pigmented gel eyeliner provides quick drying application with enriched vitamin C to condition the lids. Its creamy and water resistant formula allows for smooth application that stays in place all day. Okay. So I'm just gonna go into the fine eyeliner brush. Ugh. I hate opening these. Okay. So this is the way the brush looks. Liner is very, very creamy, just how it said, and it's really, really easy to apply. Okay, so that's how the eyeliner came out with this brush. This fine brush helps you make a small eyeliner, and you can build up the wing how big you want it, whatever size you want to do. And it's so easy to apply. I completely love it. So I'll just finish off the other side off camera, but I think this is a win. I think this whole box, the worth of this box is $174, which is amazing because the only thing you pay for is $21 each month. Well, I think this box is a completely win. I completely love this month box. So if y'all haven't subscribed to BOXYCHARM, y'all need to go subscribe right now because y'all are missing out in a lot of stuff. They are so amazing. You are never upset with everything you receive because everything's amazing. So if y'all do not know me, subscribe to my channel because I post twice a week and I post about beauty, health, lifestyle. I work out, fitness, and all that stuff. So if y'all enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, please. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Bye everyone.